Brand new construction in established Windemere subdivision. Open floor plan. Exposed beams in family room with fireplace. Eat-in kitchen with island and walk-in pantry. Real laundry room. Formal dining room. King-sized master suite features double vanity, freestanding tub, glass/tile shower and huge walk-in closet. 2 spacious spare bedrooms, separate hall bath, and bonus room upstairs. Covered back porch. Attention to detail and superior craftsmanship are what you find in a BRM home.